Today we are going to discuss how to download employee attendance regularization report in Zimyo HRMS. Let's get started with the navigation. First, log in on your Zimyo HRMS portal using your login credentials. This will take you to your dashboard. Then go to the request option. It shows leave and attendance, and then click on regularization and you will redirect to regularization dashboard, and then select the date. It shows regularization data. And you can search. And here you see all type of request pending, approved, rejected, and deleted. And here you can see filter option as well. In filter, you can filter the information as department, designation, location, shift, status, and entity. And then click on the Excel icon and download the report.